Want to plan for growth and control spending? Creating a budget in QuickBooks gives you a financial roadmap for your business year. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to Settings Budgeting. Click Add a Budget. Choose the fiscal year and whether to create it from scratch or from previous year's actual data. Enter your planned amounts for each income and expense account. You can set monthly or quarterly targets. Save it, and then you can run the budget versus actuals report anytime to see how you're tracking. My crucial pro tip: budget for irregular expenses. Don't just budget for rent and utilities. Create budget lines for annual expenses like insurance, software subscriptions, and tax payments. Divide the yearly cost by 12 and budget that monthly amount. Stop being surprised by bills and start driving toward financial goals. Do you create an annual budget for your business? For more guides on financial planning, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.